Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce my name Faradila Laura Wendari from 31st grade D. Education, Elementary School Teacher, Faculty of Education, Makassar State University. I will tell my experience entitled School Holidays. Last holiday, I visited my brother in Bone. My brother stayed in his house alone. I always visited him once a month. His home was in Pompanua, which was not so far from Bone City. When I arrived there, I invited him to visit the famous place in Bone City. My brother recommended so many interesting places that I made a list where I had to visit. The first place I visited was Curug Dago. It was one of the waterfalls in Bone. My brother and I rode motorcycle to go to there. When I arrived there, I was so amazed of the wonderful view. The waterfall was not so high. It was only 10 meters, but it looked very beautiful. There were few people know about this waterfall, so the condition around the waterfall seemed natural. After visiting Curug Dago, I chose Trans Studio Makassar as the second destination. I was surprised when I knew the entrance rate it was. I spent a lot of money just for visiting this place, but the English perfect. The price densely was right. I wrote many interesting and fun games there. There were about 20 games in Trans Studio. I also went to the mall to buy some souvenirs for my mother. Then I went to the third place. The place was Skater Thermal Baths. My brother had looked about there. I was so relaxed when I felt the hot water in the tub. After taking a bath, I tried to find some meals for dinner. I found a good restaurant around Skater and tried some delicious food there. Then I went to a collect for sleeping. On the next day, I remembered my mother's order. She got me to buy clothes from Makassar. So my brothers told me about a good market to buy good clothes. He recommended Pasar Baru as my destination, so I went to this market. There were so many people who sold many variants of clothes. I tried to bargain with the seller for a good price. Finally, I found the game price and bought so many clothes for my mother. After buying the clothes, I went to my brother's house. I rested and had a lunch there. Then I packed my language and said goodbye to my brother. I promised to visit him next month. That's my experience, more and less. Please forgive me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.